If you get pushed out, you're never coming back in. If you fuck off all these people,
which he has done. I adored him about 2 weeks ago.
That's what I'm saying.
I think he's a prick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh man!
If I won a presidency, I'd just fucking go balls deep. It's like, right, give me the nuke codes. We're getting rid of the moon, and then I just want to see how accommodating they'd be to me.
Yeah,
actually give me the code.
Don't think you'd last long.
Probably not.
We're gonna nuke the moon.
Yeah,
I would love that. I would if someone come in charge and said we're nuking the moon. I'd be like, that is
this guy means fucking.
That's what we need.
Yeah,
that's what we need. This guy
he
don't fuck around.
he needs to be in charge.
Elon wanted to nuke Mars, didn't he?
Did he?
Yeah. So basically, if you nuke Mars, you
Is it about the heating it up? Or, no.
Yeah, maybe nuking Mars, but somehow creates. I think it'll take 100 years, but it'll create an atmosphere.
Yeah.
If you nuke it, and then you can but he was talking about nuking.
He needs
Mars.
to just fuck off, doesn't he? Old Elon?
Yeah.
Everyone's done with it now.
Oh, mate.
Why don't you nuke your fucking Tesla plants? You can.
Yeah, mate. Fucking Elon. He's fucking pissed me off this week, to say the least. But I have a little conspiracy about Elon.
Here we go.
Right.
It's your own conspiracy. Or
yeah.
Now have it. Own it.
We've been discussing it at my household. That's it. So Elon, if you want to sue me.
He's torn in the mirror.
No, if he wants to see it, maybe it's not yours. Depends.
No. It's more probably the government will. No, I don't know. So basically, manipulating stocks and stuff, inflating and deflating for your own gain, that's illegal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So surely what Elon is doing right now with Bitcoin and all the rest of it, fucking and Doge, pumping it, dumping it, investing, all the rest of it, and then slagging it off but leaving your money in there. Okay. Stuff like that. It's all very sus. And I'm pretty sure, with my limited knowledge, admittedly, if he was doing this in the stock market or whatever, he'd at least be investigated, wouldn't he?
Yeah. In the stock market, would you?
Yeah. So the fact that he's doing this with other stock-like assets, although I know obviously crypto is its own entity and blah, 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 and it's just left to his own devices. Basically, isn't it almost convenient that the people that would normally investigate this sort of thing aren't, and pretty much they're almost allowing him to do this to try and destroy cryptocurrency? Do you see what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So the government's, rather than intervening, they're just like, go for it. Fuck it, because we don't want this. So destroy it for us. This is great.
But they don't own it. The only thing is, right, but it's still with like the stocks and stuff, when someone's like manipulating the market, they kind of like get backed up by like newspapers, and there's a whole thing behind it where it's like they might say something bad, but then the newspapers will put something out good and that. I think with this, it's like he's genuinely losing trust with all the people, and it's like, when the more he speaks now, the less people are going to listen. And he might have manipulated the market, but that was because we put him on a pedestal, and we was sort of going with what he says. If he keeps doing what he's doing, he's going to lose the.
Mate, he's lost.
The thing is, with crypto, because it's decentralized, it's like it's run really by the people. And what we're saying is like he's going to struggle. He thinks it's like what he can do in the news and with Tesla and that. It's like, no, this is the people's thing, and if you get pushed out, you're never coming back in. If you fuck off all these people,
which he has done. I adored him about 2 weeks ago.
That's what I'm saying.
I think he's a prick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So like, but he's thinking if he can make, he's obviously up to something, making his money. He never has to see the light of day again, does he? He's made so much money.
He can just retire.
He's probably just thinking, if I do this for a couple of months, I don't even have to worry about fucking.
Yeah, because wasn't there a crazy stat like he's made more from Bitcoin in the last like 2 months than he has in the last 5 years from Tesla or something crazy like that?
He's doing it all for money, and like, he'll just lose the faith of the people, and I think,
and therefore lose his influence
in the stock market,
which is good. Thank fuck.
In the stock markets, it's like losing the faith of the people. It's a bit more manipulated because it's all. Do you know what I mean? It's not like like, oh no, you're actually not allowed to say that because we can put you in prison. Like with crypto, you can pretty much do and say what you want, which is a good thing, but then it's also a bad thing.
But like you say, the market the people will win.
Yeah. Like I say,
Eventually.
the people
Yeah.
decide what goes on in life.
Yeah.
Eventually, really. You
Yeah.
know, obviously, I think with the stock market, it is different. It's manipulated. It's the top fucking 5% or whatever they say. You know,
Yeah.
run it. And I think
For
with
sure.
crypto, it's just, you know, there are some big whales and stuff out there, but it's, you know, it's down to us really. If everyone stops listening to Elon Musk and starts listening to we need to find the good person to listen to, don't we?
Yeah.
We thought Elon was.
I watched this video earlier. He was being interviewed on a TV show, news show, and he is a air quotes crypto expert, and he said, honestly, Elon Musk pretty much knows next to nothing about cryptocurrency, but everyone's listening to him because he's Elon Musk. But actually, if you listen to experts, you know, he hasn't got a fucking clue what he's doing.
But then again, as well, it's that these things that are coming up, you know, they're news articles, and maybe the news are just painting a bad picture about him.
Yeah.
Who knows?
But
I know
he's
he's getting on his Twitter, isn't he? So it is kind of, it's direct from him. So I suppose it is.
Yeah. But I feel like the news these news articles are using him to destroy or try to destroy crypto and stuff,
they jump on the
and
bandwagon.
maybe, like I say, maybe they want to destroy him just in general. Just like, they're like, look, we make a lot of money from oil. Let's fucking take him down
old
now.
money.
You know,
But also as well, like, have a bit of like, you know, you don't have to fucking follow it. So what? Tesla don't.
Yeah, he's one man.
Who's buying a fucking Tesla with Bitcoin? Like, that's it's a very niche market.
Yeah.
So like it, I understand it. Like I say, it has a knock-on effect, and then what it does, it gives all the papers something to jump on, doesn't it? Oh, like he's not accepting it. Like what else? You know, and it's like just don't worry about it. It's happened. It always happens. There's always FUD. Like it bounces back.
It already is in a very strong way.
It's a long term.
100%.
Like it's long term future. It's corrected from 3 months ago. 3 months ago it was at 30k.
Yeah.
And it's just done a correction. Like it's like the stock markets. Look at like every crash on the stock market.
Tank all the time, don't they?
Yeah. It's
you just need to fucking be calm.
Yeah.
You know, because I've seen a lot of people panic, and it's just like, you know, I was saying, in our Discord, if you want to join our Discord, become a VIP, because we chat about all stuff in there, including crypto. And I was just saying, like, you know, I don't know if I'll ever pull out of Bitcoin. I want to hodl to the end and see what happens. But the thing is, I genuinely believe that it'll hit 100k at least, right? And the thing is, between now and then, what it does is literally irrelevant. So it's now sat, last time I looked, 29. It could be at 75k right now. To me, it makes no difference. Like, because I wouldn't pull out anyway. So whether it's, other than, oh, look at that amount, that's a nice amount, it makes me feel good about myself. Other than that factor, the actual amount that Bitcoin is on, if you have an end game, if you have a plan in your head, it's irrelevant. You know, if you've got a finish line in your mind, it doesn't matter what fucking course it takes as long as it gets to that finish line.
Yeah.
You know, so just fucking chill out. I said to some people, because they're like, oh my God, it's tanked. I was like, okay, let's say it was at 50k, peaked at 47. Let's say it was at 50k right now. Would you pull out? No. Okay, then it doesn't matter that it's at 29 right now. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Because unless you have that end figure, until it gets to that, it doesn't matter what route it takes to get there, as long as it gets there.
Fuck Bitcoin, mate. Get Ethereum.
I saw an article about Ethereum. I think in the next 3 months they're going to try and make it green.
Bollocks, mate.
Yeah, they're going to try and make it greener.
He's trying to bring us down, mate.
See, I've got money in Ethereum. I'll happily see it do well.
That's probably a move.
He's all Bitcoin. He's shilling. He's shilling right now.
I'm old crypto money.
Yeah. Ethereum
Jordan Musk
could potentially do all right. Like it needs to sort out the gas, and if it can go green, can Bitcoin go green? I don't know. It's probably too late. Anyway, it's 18 million mined, 21 mil.
Yeah.
Like,
Ships
does it even
sailed on
need to? Ships sailed. Like, it's done.
But those people that you're talking about, they're like, you can guarantee there's people that are like just hoping that all them just cash out. Because then you'll get the people like the whales will just go, fuck it, I'm just going to buy some more now.
100%.
Get rid of those.
The people that are panicking about it hitting 23,000 sterling the other day, on the flip side, you've got people thinking it's like the best day of the year because they can now buy a shit ton at a low price and up it goes.
Mate, the news that you hear, by the time you hear the news, like,
done.
You're fucking late to the party.
Yeah.
Like, if you're seeing an article, like, you have missed the boat. Like, stuff's happening now that's predicting the change. Like, if you're reading something somewhere about it fucking, like, Elon Musk say, like, you're just too late.
Yeah.
Like, you know, it's calculated.
For sure.
Like, I'll say Elon Musk releasing that news, and then there's probably a bunch of stories just waiting to go live as soon as there's a bit of FUD, or, like, you know, Elon says something bad about it, or it's just
Dude, Rhino sells his Bitcoin.
Breaking news.
Sold it 3 weeks ago.
Fucking on the Doge, mate. On the Doge train.
Should be able to really, obviously, with stuff being on the blockchain, it'd be nice to like get his account.
Elon's.
Yeah, and just know, and then as soon as something, do you know what I mean? Like, as soon as something goes, then it's like, okay, you can kind of react. Because
I don't. The thing is, with all of it, I don't mind it, what happens and everything. Everyone's like, everyone moans, don't they? Because it's like, they're like, you shouldn't be able to say. It's like, it's the whole fucking point of it. It's the whole point. It's the whole point of it. If you don't like what he's saying, don't listen to him. That's like, if you don't. Yeah. It's like anything. People just complaining about fucking what people are saying, and just don't listen. Do you know what I mean? If you don't like a video, don't watch it. If you don't like fucking this, don't watch it.
Yeah.
Don't like Elon Musk, don't listen to him.
Yeah.
There's not Elon Musk issue. It's all these fucking sheep that are complaining and listening to people and just moaning about their life. It's like, fucking do some research. There's loads of other cryptocurrencies which are doing amazing things. Yeah. But you can't be asked to fucking invest in it and put a bit of time into it. So you're just following what Elon Musk is doing. Yeah. Sort your life out.
Hey, as a sheep. Nice.
Ultimately, it fucks him anyway. And it's like, it's just what he's done is lost a load of trust with people.
Yeah. For sure.
So, like, again, there will be people that admire him. And again, pre this announcement, I was always quite a fan. But like, it's a very, however he's done.
He'll be back. He'll come. He'll do another Joe Rogan and smoke a cigar, and he'll
take like 24 minutes to answer.
He'll release like some new trainers that have fucking got fire coming out the back of them, and like you'll just be like,
we're very quick to forgive.
Of course. Yeah.
Just buy some Tesla stocks now while they're down, and fucking shut up. If you like him, buy Tesla stocks. If you don't like him, just
the thing is, turn off notifications. He could say anything, and it'd be, it'll manipulate the price either way.
Yeah, but he's just talking. Yeah. What is he not allowed to talk? That's true. It's just a guy. Imagine you was like, he's entitled
to an opinion.
He's earned the right to speak to millions. Do you know what I mean?
The only trouble with what he's done, I think, it's like he sold it and then did his announcement, which is fair enough. It's business now, but like that, if you've gone in on what he's saying, it's accepting Bitcoin, obviously it rose up and that. I don't give a fuck what he say. I don't follow him. I wouldn't invest on what he says.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. But if you're fucking buying,
we were Teslas in well before Elon.
If you're buying Teslas with your Bitcoin, you're an idiot anyway.
Yeah.
If you've seen that stat about like when they first released the first Tesla.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Like buying. If you just put the money that you spent on the Tesla, if you'd put that into the Tesla stock,
instead, you could buy 50 Teslas.
Yeah, it'd be like a multi-millionaire.
Yeah. Buying anything with Bitcoin, it's like it's dumb, really. Like if you see it like gold, just hold it. Like if you believe at some point in life it will do well, hold it.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Only buy something that, but don't buy things that devalue. Do you know what I mean? That's.
If you're looking to buy fucking something that you're going to double your money on in a couple of months, good luck, because you're fucking. That's what everyone wants to do. And if everyone wants to do something, it's probably not there'll be winners and losers, like everything.
Yeah. A lot of people think it's a get rich quick scheme, but it's
really not.
It's really not.
It can be a get poor
quick scheme. Yeah.
Especially if you
because it's a
panic.
Yeah, it's a fucking volatile market. And what that's done, this correction of 60 to 30k, it showed that 30k of how many billions it is. It showed how much faith if everyone had faith that this is going to hit X amount in a couple of years, no one would have sold it. Yeah. It's panic.
Yeah.
It's panic of like, oh fuck, like I've put in this, I don't want to lose. It could get to zero. Yeah. I don't want to, I've lost it X amount. I don't want to lose all of it, so I'm going to sell.
And it's all the people that have put the money in that have been fucking told by all the, you know, the people who know what they're doing, the experts. Don't put in what you can't afford to lose.
100%.
And it's not big companies.
And it's all these people that just put in the money in that they can't afford to lose, and then when they lose it, they go, "I blame Elon Musk." They don't go, "Oh, do you know what? Right, when I
irresponsible.
Yeah, that was quite irresponsible. Now I've just put that money into that, thinking, you know, it's like gambling and then blaming.
Most definitely.
Yeah, blaming the casino. It's like you're the one that fucking walked in there and done it. So stop blaming. I think he's getting a lot of backlash at the minute because people have lost money, but it's not his fault. It's your own fault.
But the thing that pissed but I will say, you know, when Elon comes out after all this and says, "Oh, actually, Bitcoin's really bad for the environment," after you've put 1.5 billion in, 1 billion in, and made 1.5 billion, after you've said that, you know, Tesla will accept Bitcoin, it's like, you knew this beforehand. Do you know what I mean? So it's like, there's no way he went into this like, oh, Bitcoin, not knowing his shit.
Maybe he's just fucking didn't know. Maybe he's just...
Nah, that is bollocks. He
there's no...
But analysts predicted, I think he said that, analysts predicted there's a correction coming anyway. It's gone from 30k to 60k in a short space of time.
Yeah.
Maybe he's not as smart as we think. Maybe he's just fucking, you know, he drinks his tequila and he's just like, fuck it, get some Bitcoin, chuck it, you know. Yeah, I'm going to... This is a geezer who's talking about fucking
going to Mars.
Yeah, going to Mars. Like, you start believing it, he's fucking mental, isn't he? He's a nutter. This is a guy who built...
He's on the spectrum.
There's a guy who fucking builds flamethrowers and does mad shit. He's crazy.
I'd love one of them boring company. I see it's called the boring company, isn't it? Flamethrowers.
He doesn't care. He's made a shit ton of money, so he doesn't give a fuck what anyone thinks.
Yeah.
But that's the thing, is you lose trust, don't you? So he's lost. He's made money. He's lost trust. I know what I'd rather.
I think he's fucked up.
Money. No, I'm joking.
I mean, give me 20 billion and you can have fuck the trust. Nah, but he's fucked now. Like,
give me 20 bill.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's just fucking it's the way the world works.
Nah, for sure.
There's loads of things, isn't there? Loads of people who lose their integrity for money, and it's just the way the world is.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. But circling it back to my probably incorrect. No, just to my probably incorrect theory that maybe the government and stuff. But to be fair, I didn't even take into consideration that they wouldn't really have any jurisdiction, would they?
They've got that's the issue.
There
is no governing body for the whole of which is
why they would want to bring Elon down. They're like, he's the godfather, isn't he? If you bring him down, then
it's a something and a curse.
Gift and a curse.
Gift and a curse, yeah. It's like there's no governing body, so like it's a gift and a curse.
It's
so
the Wild West, isn't it?
Yeah,
basically.
you will get people manipulating it. It happened with what's the guy who fucking shits on people?
Literally McAfee.
Yeah, McAfee was
life,
like,
man.
and it's like just, you know, if you're gonna follow someone and do like, just remember that like some of these people have got other prerogatives to do stuff.
It's happened before crypto. It's not like it's a new thing where people
of course.
It happened when there wasn't crypto. It's not it's just people are doing the same tricks as they used on the stock market when like Jordan Belfort when he was like
you
know,
Logan Paul inflated the fuck out of the Pokemon industry and then boom, Charizard.
All of the tricks that are being done now. It's just a new thing for people. It happened on the internet when the internet came out. It happened on the stock market, and like people will look back at those old tricks and they'll be like, right, how can we implement that into that, because they made that amount of money. So it's gonna there's gonna be things that you put in where it's a good thing, and there's gonna be things that you put in and it's gonna be, you know, what was that fucking thing that what's that thing called that we did that was like just a massive pyramid? It was like a
Avon.
Yeah.
It was
the Avon.
BitConnect.
BitConnect.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, you know, it's just one of them things, isn't it? People, old new technology, old tricks.
You can't blame if you put your money into something, like
you've done it.
You can't blame anyone for that. No one put a gun against your head.
True.
So like, and I know it's bad, and and I've done it. I've lost money on stuff, and I've also made money on stuff, and it's like, but you've done it like.
Just do some research.
The best advice, if you're going to put money into shit as an investment, whatever it is, I think whether it's fucking property, stocks, like
Avon,
like just be prepared to lose it. If you're not prepared to lose it, like if you're prepared to gain, be prepared to lose. Because otherwise, 100%. Like nothing's given you for free. Otherwise, put it in the bank. And even you know,
that was exactly my attitude towards Bitcoin. You know, I've invested X amount that I, you know, in stages, admittedly. You know, and at each stage, I was like, can I afford to put this there? Yes, I can. Okay, that's cool. If that goes to shit, okay, it's absolutely fine. You know, and obviously the profits of like. When it went to 47, I've seen it go to like X amount, and now it's obviously more than halved. And you look at that and you're like, oh, but then actually, profits aren't technically your money, are they? Do you know what I mean? It's all, you know,
it's
hypothetical. It's like anything that you do, though. It's like fucking business. It's like you believe in something and then you put money into it, and then you try and make more money. That is just business. And it's some, you know, the best advice that I ever got when I first started out in business is just accept responsibility for everything. And it's like, it's the best advice you'll get. Soon, like you go around blaming everyone else. You'll just be bitter and have a shit life. You just have to go, do you know what? That was my mistake. And I'll take responsibility for it.
Own it.
Own it, son.
There you go. That did deserve a round of applause. APMA, how's it going? I'm here to talk about becoming an APMA VIP. Now, you might see on your YouTube a join button. If you don't, there is a link in the description. If you hit that join button, you'll become an APMA VIP. Now, with that, you will get a one-off sign-up free t-shirt. The design looks a little bit like this. You will also get access to an exclusive members-only podcast once a month, and we have a members-only Discord channel as well. And just as a bonus, you'll get some cool badges and some emotes of our faces and other things that you can put in live chats and in the comments section. So there we go, guys. That is $4.99. You get a free t-shirt upon sign up, an exclusive monthly podcast, that exclusive membership-only Discord channel, which we will jump in and out of every now and then, and the badges and emotes. Thank you so much. If you want to become a VIP, hit that join button or the link down below. See you soon, guys.